Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by confirming the essentials. Park with parking brakes and turn every accessory off. Check the dead battery for 12V markings and any swelling or corrosion. Put on gloves and eye protection, safety first. Once done, place the booster close but not touching both vehicles and untangle the cables so you can follow the correct order. Make sure the booster is off until clamps are attached and keep metal objects away to avoid sparks while you begin. You now connect in the precise sequence to prevent sparks and damage. First, red clamp to the positive terminal on the dead battery, then red to the booster's positive. Next, connect the black clamp to the booster negative and place the remaining black clamp on a clean, unpainted metal ground point on the dead vehicle, away from the battery. Once clamps are secure, set the booster to the recommended mode and run or charge it for a few minutes before attempting to start the car. You try the start now. If the engine turns over, let it idle for 10 to 20 minutes so the alternator restores charge. Once stable, power off the booster and remove clamps in reverse order. Black ground first, then black on booster, then red on booster, finally red on the battery to avoid sparks. Make sure cables don't touch. If the car won't start, recheck clamp contact and corrosion, test fuses and alternator indicators, and if problems persist, stop and call a professional for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.